Ram pickup. You see it before you hear it. Wide, planted, unapologetically bold. That front grille, it doesn't whisper, it commands. Chrome or blacked out, it's framed by headlights so sharp they feel like they're looking through you. The hood lines flow with purpose, like muscle carved in motion, every contour catching the light as if the sun was made for it. The stance is pure confidence, high, unshaken, rolling on wheels that look like they could take you across a city or a continent. The paint? Deep, mirror smooth, a finish that shifts tone as the day moves, turning heads before you even touch the door handle. And from the rear, the tailgate and LED taillights tell a story of strength and precision, functional beauty that doesn't need to brag, but absolutely could. Step inside, and the world changes. The doors close with that solid, satisfying thud that tells you you're somewhere premium. The seats, supple leather or rugged cloth, wrap around you, not just for comfort, but for command. The stitching is meticulous, like it was done with pride, because it was. The dashboard stretches wide, marrying power with elegance. Soft touch surfaces meeting solid metal accents, every control placed exactly where instinct wants it. The infotainment system comes alive in brilliant color, intuitive and responsive, like it's been waiting for you. Every knob, every button, every paddle, crafted to feel like they belong in your hand. The cabin is spacious, but not just big, it's smart. Every inch feels considered. You're surrounded by a quiet that only breaks when you want it to, the outside world fading until all you hear is the hum of power under the hood. And when you hit the road, it's not just driving, it's owning every mile. The throttle responds like it's reading your mind, the suspension smoothing out chaos while still letting you feel the road. Whether you're cruising through city streets or carving your own path far beyond them, the Ram doesn't just get you there, it makes the journey unforgettable. The Ram pickup, built to work, designed to thrill, engineered to make you look twice, then never look away.